So, hello all. Today we will be discussing about Inoffizielle Uhrzeit, that is unofficial timing. Like we can have official timing as well, and we can have unofficial timing as well. So, today we will discuss about Inoffizielle Uhrzeit. Moving ahead. So, in this, like first, if I tell you like how do we say of Deutsch 11:10 a.m. So we can have multiple answers for that. So let's see. Yeah. First is S is 10 nach 11. 10 is 10. Nach means past, that is after. 11. 11 is 11. So 10 minutes past 11 o'clock it means. So always remember in Inoffizielle Uhrzeit we have to use for or nach. For means before, nach means after. So because it is 10 minutes have passed after 11. So we will say es ist 10 minutes always first in unofficial. Yeah. So it is 10 minutes past 11. So we will say 10 nach 11. Or I can also say like es ist 50 vor 12. 50 is nothing but 50. Yeah. So 50 minutes before 12, like, yeah, so 15 minutes to 12, so it needs 50 minutes to make it to 12. So I can also say like 50 vor 12. Yeah. So next timing is, that is 17 past 30 35 minutes past 17 or 17:35. How do we say of Deutsch? We'll see now. Answer could be multiple, as I said. If it is like, I can say it is 5 minutes past 5:30. So 5 nach halb 6. Halb 6 is nothing but like 30 minutes are required to make it to 6. So that is 5:30. And 5 nach halb 6 means 5 minutes past 5:30. Or I can also say like S is 35, that is 35. Yeah, 35 is nothing but 35 nach 5. Yeah, so 35 minutes past 5 o'clock, that is 5:35. Or I can also say like 25 minutes to make it to 6, right? So 25 vor 6. 4 is nothing but before. Yeah, 25 vor 6. Moving on to the another timing, that is 20:45 p.m. How do we say this of Deutsch? So we'll see the first option, that is 15 minutes to make it to 9 o'clock. Yeah, night ka. So S is Viertel vor 9. Viertel is nothing but 15 minutes. Viertel is nothing but a quarter. So Viertel vor 9. Or I can also say like that, it is like 45 minutes past 8 o'clock. Yeah, so 45. Okay, it is 45 nach 8. Yeah, so 45 minutes after 8. Or I can also say that it is like 15 minutes past 8:30. Yeah, so 8:30 and like 15 minutes after that. So Viertel nach halb 9. Halb 9, yeah, you must be knowing halb 9 is nothing but 30 minutes are required to make it to 9. So that is 8:30, and Viertel nach halb 9 means 15 minutes after 8:30, that is 8:45. Moving on to next timing, 3:30 a.m. So yeah, let's see. The first answer, the simplest answer is S is halb 4. Halb 4, as earlier told, that is 30 minutes to make it to 4, that is 3:30. Or I can also say S is 30 nach 3, that is 30 minutes past 3 o'clock. Yeah, that is 3:30. Or I can also say that 30 minutes to make it to 4, that is 30 vor 4. 30 is nothing but 30. 4 is like before 4 p.m. Yeah, so that is 3:30. Next is 7:15. How do we say this of Deutsch? Unofficially. Yeah. So let's see. So es ist Viertel nach 7. Yeah. Viertel, as I said, Viertel is nothing but quarter. So that is 15 minutes. Nach 7. Yeah, so 15 minutes past 7 o'clock. Another way of saying is es ist 45 vor 8. That is 40 minutes before 8 o'clock. Yeah, so 45 minutes is nothing but 45. Or I can also say that es ist Viertel for halb 8. Halb 8 is again 7:30, and yeah, 15 minutes before 7:30 is 7:15. Simple. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much.